On 22 November, I predicted that Bitcoin would crash down to 82K. Okay, so at the time, price was around 100K. Yeah, and this is the Twitter account that I made this post on. Okay, so you can check this one out. And I will explain what I did to make the prediction and why I believe that price will continue going down to 82K. Okay, so yeah, so currently price of Bitcoin is now around 92K now. So it has dropped all the way down from the highs of 106K. Okay, and so like if you were to look at the chart here, this is the 200-day SMA, the pink line, and it seems to be moving towards there now. I currently am not predicting that it will touch it, although that will be a very significant drop if it does. Okay, yeah, so please like and subscribe this video, my channel on YouTube, and also my Twitter account where all my latest updates are being given. Okay, so I'll just move on to the indicator that I use to predict this, and it's right here. If I can find it. Yeah, so this is the website that I've created. Okay, so you can, this is the URL right here. Okay, and I'll post it on the link also on the details below. So this is the indicator that I've been talking about, and why did I predict that Bitcoin would correct down, okay, at that time? Okay, the reason why is because you can see these green bars below the zero line. So the zero line is right here, okay, and when you see huge bars like this means that major players are removing their longs from the market. Okay, this indicator, what it really does is that it helps you to detect, okay, major players moving in and out of markets. So this is it's like a indicator that allows you to see into the market. Okay, so notice right here, during the accumulation phase of Bitcoin, that was around 50K. I also predicted in my Twitter account that price will go to the all-time highs. You can check this one out. I think if I can find it in my Twitter right now. Uh, yeah, I think I also predicted that Bitcoin will go to the all-time highs. Okay, like right, this post over here on October, I predicted that Bitcoin will go towards 75K. Okay, so you can check this one out. And the reason why I predicted that is simply because of this indicator. It told me that major players were entering the market at the bottom. Okay, so that was around 50K. And notice this green color bars over here is very clear. Okay, it's very clear right here when market big major players were entering the market right around 50K and around 50K, right? So this was a second buy that they made over here. So you can see here, and that was a signal that price will immediately rise after these major players have bought. Okay, so that was the first time they bought was around here, and the second time they bought was here, and they exited their market, their Bitcoin asset at this point over here. So you can see these huge bars over here when they are exiting the market. Okay, and they basically has been removing their longs at this point over here. Okay, so this indicator managed to predict the entire move of Bitcoin. And so right now it's just bearish. Okay, so we can't change this fact because the major players have already made their move. Okay, so it's going to go lower at this point. And as long um, as we are waiting for these major players to come back into the market, the Bitcoin is probably not going to go to all-time highs anytime soon. We just need to wait for these major players to re-enter the market, similar to this behavior right here. Okay, so this is something that we want to see in this indicator. Um, you know, the major players entering the market. Okay, and we have not yet seen this yet. The indicator is not flashing anything yet. Okay, so that's the main reason why I'm still expecting 82K. Okay, so let's just go back to the chart of Bitcoin. And 82K, you know, it is a very decent level. So it's around here, 82K. Okay, and I think the reason why I made the 82K prediction was because of a pitchfork. Okay, so let me just go back to the post that I created. Okay, so the pitchfork was this one. Okay, it looks like it's one of the major ones here. So I think it was this one. So let me just draw it here. Maybe not this one. Maybe it was another one. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, I think maybe it was this one. Let me just go. But anyways, 82K is a pretty decent level. I'm expecting at least 82K. So if it goes towards 70K, which is a 200-day SMA, that will be very severe correction. Okay, currently I'm not expecting that, but if it does go down there, it is still possible. It's still possible that it goes down to 70K, but I think that's a bit too low for now. I'm expecting higher prices in the future. Okay, so I'm not expecting this to be the top of the bull market. I'm expecting much higher prices in the future. But for now, we just need to wait for these major players to re-enter the market, and we have not yet seen any indication yet. Okay, so yeah, so you can check this indicator out in my website. It's you can just view a preview. Okay, if you just if you just register an account, you can view a preview of this indicator. A very effective indicator that basically tells you the reversal points in Bitcoin. You can go all the way down to 5 minutes. Yeah, so just wait it to load, and it's pretty fast. So you can start to see some activity in the futures indicator. Okay, and it seems like market is moving down quite significantly, and now it slowed down the descent because there was an entry of shorts in the market. Okay, this is something that I also talk about in my channel. Okay, so yeah, hope you enjoy this video, and I will update again, regarding this indicator, whether these major players, they have re-entered Bitcoin. Okay, and it's time for the reversal, the bullish reversal, right? So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.